Welcome back to Auto Snuff, where we take the boldest, toughest rides for a deep dive. Today we've got the brand new 2026 Defender OCTA, Land Rover's answer to high-speed off-road mastery. Rugged, rapid, and dressed in upscale kit. This isn't just a Defender upgrade, it's a whole new benchmark. The 2026 Defender OCTA isn't a facelift, it's a statement. It's the most powerful Defender ever produced, with a design that balances extreme performance with luxury-level refinement. Engineered to tackle dunes, rocks, highways, and turn heads while doing it. This is more than a truck, it's an all-terrain icon. Visually, the OCTA makes the standard Defender look understated. It sports 33-inch all-terrain tires, extended fenders, redesigned bumpers, and the exclusive OCTA diamond logo on the C-pillar. Special colors like Petra Copper, Pharaoh Green, and Carpathian Gray, all topped with a Narvik black contrast roof, give it presence even when standing still. Inside, it doubles down on luxury. Exclusive body and soul performance seats feature built-in speakers powered by sub-pack vibroacoustic tech for a sensory ride. Materials are high-end, burnished leather, Kvadrat textiles, or chopped carbon fiber trim on the Edition 1 model. The dash's satin black crossbeam and performance-oriented controls reinforce its premium meets purpose vibe. Under the hood sits a 4.4-liter twin-turbo mild hybrid V8, packing 626 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque, making this Defender capable of 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. Supercar timing in SUV form. But wow factor doesn't stop there. The OCTA gains 60 dynamics adaptive suspension, which controls pitch and roll while maximizing articulation off-road. It rides 28 millimeters higher and is 68 millimeters wider than a standard Defender, giving ground clearance of 323 millimeters, 1 meter of wading depth, and a huge range of motion for rough terrain. Boosted by 400mm Brembo brakes, active exhaust, and sporty steering, the OCTA drives with the confidence of a rally car and the comfort of a luxury 8-seater. Land Rover launched OCTA globally in mid-2025, with deliveries stretching into 2026. While official U.S. pricing is not confirmed, early estimates place it around $150,000 to $160,000, aligning with its premium but raw performance credentials. Despite its hardcore capability, the OCTA still functions as a full-size Defender, with seating for 5 or up to 7. It tackles dunes and gravel roads equally well with optional OCTA Mode, which adjusts throttle, transmission, ABS, and suspension for off-road launch control and high-speed dune runs. Long-distance, touring, in remote regions? No sweat. The large wheels, integrated skid plates, advanced terrain responses, and durable chassis give it unbelievable real-world confidence, even if its tires can be noisy in city use. The 2026 Defender OCTA pushes a Defender into hyper-competence territory. Fast as a sports car, capable as a rally raider, luxurious like a premium SUV. If you want a vehicle that breaks limits, but also plays luxury, this is it. Expect rivals to be shaken. That's our full breakdown of the 2026 Land Rover Defender OCTA. Pure force wrapped in Land Rover prestige. Would you use it to conquer dunes, trails, or your grocery run? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like, hit the bell, and subscribe to Auto Snuff for more high-octane reviews and bold automotive insights. Until next time, stay bold, stay wild, and keep it Auto Snuff.